is very important for all the living things, but nowadays the water gets polluted and wasted by many people. To address this issue, we did this project in Manapet village. I am Anjali, the team leader of this project.
I am Ashmita. I am Adivadana. I am Pooja. I am Krishya.
Our project name is Water Sustainability, Management and Conservation are the priority for the nation. We selected this project because we read a news about water crisis in Puducherry, which paved a way to study the flow, storage, usage and disposal of water in our school campus and surrounding. The school campus map indicates the source, the storage, the usage and disposal of water, which helped us in identifying the different location of water usage within the school premises.
Usage of water. We did an activity to measure the water consumption in our school. For this, we used various methods like data collection, calculation, approximation and estimation.
We understood that mostly we get water from municipality and groundwater, which are steadily decreasing. We store 4,000 liters of water in our tank. We use 3,500 liters of water for various purposes like drinking, hand washing, vessel washing, gardening, toilet flushing, swagging, etc. We use 36% for hand washing, 20% for gardening, 12% for vessel washing. We calculated the per capita water consumption is 16 liters.
Quality of water.
Water is the most important for all the living things to live. So it is very important to drink good quality water. For this activity, we collected 5 water samples from Manapet, Murtikuppam and Pudukuppam villages. We checked the quality of water by testing the color, smell, turbidity, nitrates, phosphate, pH, fluoride test and TDS.
Based on the finding, we found that the water we use in our school is potable. The water can be used for all purposes. Rainwater harvesting.
Rainwater harvesting is a sustainable process that helps in preserving rainwater for different purposes and for the future needs as well. In our school, we have installed 2 rainwater harvesting pits.
Drip water irrigation. Drip irrigation is today's need because the water resources are fast diminishing. In our school, we install drip irrigation which saves the water to a great extent. Wastewater harvesting.
Wastewater harvesting. We recycle the hand wash water and vessel cleaning water using 3 pits and send the water to the ground using sedimentation, degradation and filtration methods. Used water harvesting plant consists of 3 tanks. The used water from the tap goes to the first tank after filtering. Then that water flows to the second tank where we kept plants and fishes for purifying the used water. Finally, the water flows to the third tank where it goes to the underground. In this way, we maintain the groundwater level.
Making of rain garden.
Making of homemade rain gardens. We need materials like plastic bottle, knife, ruler, pebbles or stones. First, cut the plastic bottle at the top like this. If the bottom is not flat, put some pebbles. Place the top part like a funnel in the plastic bottle. Stick the scale on the plastic bottle. This is a homemade rain gauge. With this rain gauge, we measured the amount of rainfall during the month of September 2020.
Sewage water hydropower generator. We made this simple machine to convert used water into current. This machine consists of a small DC motor and a fan. When the used water flows and the fan, it starts rotating the fan, which in turn produces the current. We can see the amount of current produced using the multimeter. Conclusion.
From our project, we understood that the sustainability and water project opens our eyes to see the amount of water we are wasting in our day-to-day life. It makes us understood the importance of water. It helps us to use water judiciously. It creates awareness among our students. It makes us to think of solution for conserving water. It helps us to know the quality of water we are drinking.
Thank you.